As Russia and Belarus gear up for their massive Zapad 2025 military drills in mid-September, Germany has made a decisive move to reinforce NATO's presence in Eastern Europe. On August 4, 2025, 5 German Eurofighter Typhoon jets touched down at the Minsk-Mazowiecki air base near Warsaw, marking the Luftwaffe's first-ever fighter jet deployment on Polish soil. The operation was revealed by German media outlet Bild on the same day, underscoring the seriousness of the current security climate. The deployment comes just ahead of the joint Russian-Belarusian exercises, which are expected to involve around 13,000 troops. Beginning August 5, the German fighters will commence active patrol missions, supported by approximately 150 Bundeswehr personnel responsible for logistics and operations. According to the German Air Force, this is more than just a temporary maneuver, it is a deliberate show of unity and deterrence, aimed at signaling NATO's readiness to defend its eastern frontier. The Eurofighter Typhoon, a cutting-edge multi-role combat jet jointly developed by Germany, Italy, Spain, and the UK, is built for versatility in high-threat theaters. Powered by twin engines and capable of speeds exceeding 2,400 km per hour with a maximum range of nearly 3,000 km, the aircraft can switch from air defense to ground attack missions in moments. Its arsenal includes Meteor long-range air-to-air missiles, precision bombs, and a 27mm Mauser cannon, allowing it to dominate the skies and strike hardened ground targets alike. Its advanced avionics and evolving radar systems give pilots superior situational awareness and adaptability during complex operations. While Belarus initially claimed it would move its drills away from NATO borders to reduce tensions, Deputy Defense Minister Pavel Muravika recently hinted that this plan might be scrapped due to what Minsk describes as a worsening political and military environment. This uncertainty, combined with Moscow's increasing military pressure on Ukraine, has put NATO on high alert. Belarus has not officially committed its own forces to the war in Ukraine, but it has consistently provided Russia with logistical support and staging grounds for its offensives, particularly during the early 2022 push toward Kiev. Ukrainian officials, including President Volodymyr Zelensky, have repeatedly warned that Russia could amass up to 150,000 troops in Belarus as part of a potential new escalation. NATO's new Secretary-General, Mark Rutte, recently echoed similar concerns, warning Europe to prepare for the possibility of a major confrontation with Russia before 2030. Against this backdrop, Germany's unprecedented fighter jet deployment to Poland is being read as a calculated message to Moscow: NATO's eastern flank will not be left vulnerable. The move strengthens NATO's air policing mission, providing immediate response capabilities in case of unexpected provocations during or after Zapad 2025. This step also marks a broader shift in Germany's defense policy, showing greater willingness to take frontline action in reinforcing NATO positions near Russia's borders. As the alliance braces for the upcoming exercises and potential fallout, Berlin's decision signals that Europe's security commitments are not just words on paper but an active, visible force in the region.